Hi, I'm back with another really exciting title templates, and today it's our third, and it's absolutely free. You can download from the description link. So stay tuned for how to customize this title. Just download all these title templates, and you can just save into any safe place. I'm using the document folder. So anyway, just save there and back to Premiere Pro and go to Essential Graphics, and here you just have to add additional folders and choose your the saved location over here. Now actually you have to install the font also from the downloaded items. Don't forget to install, and here all your titles. Now let's customize the title according to your video, and here you may have to create a new sequence before jumping to the title customization. I'm just creating a new sequence and drag and drop your title into the timeline. Now it's 4K resolution, that's why it's so big, and you can right click over here and scale to frame size, or you can adjust the scale value. Now this is your title. Now if you select this title and go to Essential Graphics window and go to the edit section, you can customize all your title, the colors, font, everything. And under this text section you can just change your typo, title's name and the designation, everything. And also you can change the font and colors, everything. Now if you are using a different titles, say for example a stroke value title, you have to say for example this one, I think, yeah, this title. Just check the animation. You can say a stroke animation over there. So in this title you may have to there are certain things you have to change. So if you are changing the text, you can easily change the text, but if you are changing your font also, let's say for example I'm just changing the font into a different one, you have to change the same font the below also. You don't have to change the text, but just change the font only, same font. Then only you will get the same exact stroke value for the for this title. So don't forget that some title is you have to customize like this. So let me know if you have any problem, and because I made this title on a 2022 version, and just try it on the lower version also. Let me know if you're facing any problem. So stay tuned.